Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tayo. Today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this jumbo spring twist style on my hair using expression attachments. I would also show you guys how I style this for the office or wherever I'm going to. So sit back, relax and enjoy. The key to every long-lasting protective style is to start on clean hair. So we're going to start with washing our hair. I wash my hair using Monday hair care products. I got them from was it Tesco for like £5. I usually use Shea Moisture, right? But I just went to the store and I'm like, Shea Moisture was like between 12 to 16 pounds and Monday was £5. And I'm like, the volume is the same, let me try it. And honestly, Monday hair care has been good. My hair feels very moisturized when I use it. So I'm going to shampoo. I shampoo like twice and then I use the conditioner to thoroughly detangle my hair. You see, I'm detangling using my wide tooth comb. I make sure I only comb my hair when it's wet and saturated with conditioner. So I do that for a bit. I'm also going to deep condition, but I don't show that here. I'm just going to show you guys as I'm rinsing out the conditioner and getting ready for the protective style, because if you don't clean hair properly, your protective style won't last, in my own opinion. So I make sure my hair is like very clean before I start any protective style. If you've come this far, please go ahead and like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So after washing, I section my hair into different sections using the rubber band method. I use like a mirror to make sure I pat the front properly, and the back I just freestyle because I'm like, nobody's seeing the back. But yeah, I use the rubber band method. It's the same method I use for one of my earlier hairstyles. Yeah, then I'm just showing you guys the braid attachment. I use the expression attachment and the crochet pin and how many strands I use. So for each section I use 3 strands of the hair. What I do is that I put gel or hair wax on my hair because my hair is natural and not relaxed, and then I put the crochet pin underneath the rubber band and pull the hair through. I'm just going to show you exactly how I do it, but before I put the hair through, I kind of separate the hair so that it has like the full fluffy look. So I'm just going to let you guys see how exactly I crochet the hair in. It's the same way everybody crochets hair in. So I do that and I twist the hair. Okay, so let me try and explain this. You put the crochet pin through your hair underneath the rubber band, and then you pull the hair with the crochet pin to the other side. Then you pull one end of the hair so that you have 2 different sides. And because this is a twist, you'd also section your hair into 2 sides, like the part you're trying to twist. Once that is sectioned, you twist your hair in one direction. Don't make mistake and twist in a different direction. I usually just twist all my hair in one direction. So if I'm twisting to the left, I twist everything to the left. And if I'm twisting to the right, I twist everything to the right, so that everything looks uniform. And if you can, try and hide, maybe if you have colored ends like me, try and hide your ends inside the twist. Because if you notice, I wasn't hiding my ends, so you would see some of my hair sticking out. And again, I was in a hurry. I wasn't paying too much attention to it. I twist that to the end, and I'm going to show you this process all over again. But before I keep quiet, I'll let you watch. How many of you guys are watching Love is Blind season 5? Because this season is just a mess. Like, all the couples have issues, honestly. Like, you guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about the couples on Love is Blind season 5. So once I'm done twisting, I go in with mousse. I use the Got2b mousse. I saturate every part of the hair with mousse, as you guys can see, like the front, the back, the side, everywhere got covered in moss. And that's just the end of the style. You take the hair and crochet it and twist it. So this is the main style I use when I'm going to work because it's easy. My side parts, because I'm a millennial, so I'm just going to show you guys how I achieved this look. Yeah, so this is what the hair looks like, right? It's not all the same length. The hair is not the same length all through because they're like very big twists. So I'm going to just show you how I achieve different styles when I want to go out, because I don't really like the way it looks by itself in a center part. So I'm going to start with my signature side parts. So what I do is this is my side parts. I take that, I separate 4 sections in front, and then take everything at the back and put it up in a scrunchie. I'm going to show you the back what it looks like. This is what it looks like from behind. That's what it looks like from behind, and this is the front. And this is literally how I take it to work, out with friends. This is my signature style. I really like how it looks because the side parts is pretty. I do my edges, my edge control, put a little makeup, and I'm good to go. I really love the way this looks. And I'm also going to show you guys other styles. I'm going to show you guys like 360 of this style. Second style is going to be a center part, but I really don't like center parts, so I'm just going to show you guys what I do. So I have the hair. I'm going to leave these 2 antennas, or I don't know what to call them, and then just take every other thing in a bun. And this is what it looks like. I usually do this when I'm like just going for something very casual, like I'm going grocery shopping or something. The 2 strands in front would help you frame your face because I just think it looks better that way. Another style would be the side parts, but my other side. So I will just do this. Now this side isn't done. This is what I also do if I don't want to put it in a bun. I will just put everything to the side, either this side or this side, which is my signature side, and I just leave it that way. I just leave it this way and let everything fall. I know, yes, it's not even, but I prefer this look than the center parts all down. Do you understand what I mean? So this is what it looks like. Final style I do with this hair. So it starts from my signature hair where I have hair in front, and I put everything in a bun at the back. Ouch. Woo. Shit. It broke. Let me get something else. Once this is done, I just take these 4 strands and tuck it into the bun like this. Sweet and simple. So that way I don't have hair in my face and it still looks good. And I do this when I'm busy grocery shopping or whatever. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like this video, and let me know what kind of videos you want to see. Bye.